Alright, this is probably one of the shortest videos I'm gonna make here. I just want to show you what I'm doing back here. So, yeah, I'm digging up this hole for the koi pond. And so I'm saving the soil. And I'm gonna use the soil back here, because this will be my future garden. I showed you in my other video. So instead of throwing away all the garbage and stuff, I am putting them down here, and then I cover them with a little bit of soil. Yeah, and I keep an eye out for animals that's gonna come and try to dig it out. But I previously buried a lot more in. So far so good. No animals, no nothing. Plus, when I find a earthworm, I bring them here and put them in the soil, so that way they can be doing the work that they're supposed to do, and I don't know, eat these things and turn them into good soil. At least that's what I know. And then I made this screen, so I'll show you what I'm gonna do with it in a minute here. Okay, so you can watch while I'm doing this. So I'm gonna lay down the screen. This is the screen that I made. Well, it's more of a, yeah, it is a strainer. Is that how they call it in English? A strainer. Yeah, so, and then I will be getting the soil that I'm digging up from and cover the that way you won't go waste your money, go to the store and buy the what do you call it, soil from the store, because you can use the waste from your food waste and all that stuff. I have tuna heads, tuna skin, guts and stuff that I buried them here. And so I don't know, oops, sorry. Okay, I don't know, but you need to put your hands down there and make it dirty. Alright, so you just, okay, see? Alright, telling you. Okay, and so obviously you can go to the store and buy a glove, so you know your hands doesn't turn out like this, or you're scared of soil. You know, only farmers, right? Farmers, people with green hands, right? All right, so let's see what's happening down there at the bottom. See? Alrighty, see? We're covering up some of those things. So this is what I'll be doing all day. Not all day, but when I get the containers for leftover food garbage and all that stuff, right? And so that way cover it up so it doesn't smell up my neighborhood here. And also because I need this gravels, I can use these gravels when I mix the concrete later on when I do the koi pond, right? Because I'm gonna line it with concrete. So roll this. Now I'm gonna spill this in a container. But basically that's what I want to show you. So you can do it at your place. And let me see, maybe we can lift this up and I can show you. See that? It's pretty fine soil. Oops, hang on here. Okay, so this much gravel I separated from the soil, and I guess we got a little bit more here. So let me grab all those. Okay, now we can flip this over. Alright, so that is my strainer, soil strainer. And as you can see, I get some really fine soil here. See, very nice soil. See, those are eggshells, onion skins, some more eggshell here. See, more eggshells. We can help break it down too, right? And we can cover them up. Oh, the heck. Alrighty, so just a little bit for now. I'll come back later after drinking coffee and stuff, and then add more soil on top of it. But I'm gonna put the strainer down so the crows, those guys, they love to come and eat. Sorry, it's a problem when you don't have a videographer. And so we use all these ice cream buckets. We save them and we put all the food scraps and stuff in here, and then that's what I use for my compost or whatever. Add to the soil. Okay. And so see, I also save up all this coffee, whatever, and I already put a lot of out there in my garden, so I use all this in the garden. So if you're a coffee drinker and a gardener, go ahead and save this so you can use it in your garden. They're pretty good. I've used them for years, 5 years now. Alright, gotta get some coffee here.